Today, we bring you a tale of a phone's unexpected dive at a pool party. Picture this. Emily, our protagonist, is the life of the party, showcasing her new phone. In a sudden turn of events, her prized possession slips from her grasp and takes an unplanned plunge into the pool. The shock, the disbelief etched on Emily's face. The crowd's reaction, a cacophony of gasps and laughter. As the phone sunk to the bottom of the pool, Emily and the crowd were left in stunned silence. But every tech tale has its heroes, right? And this story was no exception. The crowd at the party, each more tech-savvy than the last, offered a medley of wild rescue suggestions. "Give it a rice bath," someone yelled. "Sing it a song," chimed another. The ideas were as entertaining as they were impractical. But Emily, the true hero of our tale, opted for a more pragmatic approach. She whisked her phone off to a technician, a true wizard in the realm of tech. With a steady hand and an air of confidence, the technician worked their magic on the waterlogged device. And then, in a moment that can only be described as miraculous, the phone buzzed back to life, much to Emily's relief. So what's the moral of this tech tale? Emily's unexpected dive taught us that even a pool party can turn into a tech nightmare. But with a dash of wit and a sprinkle of tech wizardry, even a waterlogged phone can buzz back to life. Since that fateful day, Emily's phone is always dressed in its waterproof best. It's a small investment that could save you a fortune, not to mention the heartache of losing all those precious memories stored on your device. Now, we've all had our share of tech mishaps, haven't we? So let's turn those oops moments into aha moments. Remember, every tech mishap has a story and a lesson. Share yours in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more tech survival tales.